Yes and yes, welcome to Saturday Dan Quiz. Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Explorer are different types of what? These are the different types of web browsers. Which email service is owned by Microsoft? So, Hotmail is owned by Microsoft. Which is the only vowel on a standard keyboard that is not on the top line of letters? So, this vowel is A. What is a king honeybee called? So king honeybee called a drone. What substance are nails made out of? So the substance is keratin. How many neck bones does a giraffe have? So it has 7 bones. What is the pH level of pure water? So the pH of pure water is 7. Which scientist was awarded the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics? So the scientist was Albert Einstein. Which kind of flower bulbs were once exchanged as a form of currency? So the flower was tulips. What heavenly body was demoted from the status of a planet? So that heavenly body is Pluto.